Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up integration to transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to Google Calendar. This is necessary to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in Google Calendar you can create new events. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select a data source system, Agile CRM. Now select the action, Get Contacts, New. At this stage you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your Agile CRM personal account. Copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next we indicate the login. In order to get an API key, return to your Agile CRM personal account. Next, go to your account settings. Go to the Developers API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled in, click Continue. When the connected login appears in the list of active accounts, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now, you see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If you are satisfied with everything, click Continue. At this point, setting up the Agile CRM data source has been successfully completed. Now you need to move on to setting up the data destination. Choose the system, Google Calendar. Next, select an action, Create Event. At this stage you need to connect your Google Calendar account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you need to specify the login and password of your Google account. Be sure to check all access boxes. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. At this point, you see Google Calendar fields for creating new events. First, select a calendar. Next, you can assign variables from Agile CRM to Google Calendar fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to a new line, use Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Google Calendar as new events for each new contact from Agile CRM. If you are not satisfied with something, click Edit and you will go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Google Calendar. After successful sending, go to Google Calendar and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the ApiX-Drive system and continue setting up. At this point, setting up Google Calendar as a data destination has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update and select an update interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.